Apple?
Yala ka salama.
Apple. S for watermelon. S for pineapple.
Okay.
S for orange.
Okay.
S for
Pro? Promade?
roman.
English Arabic.
How about you?
Promen
Ah,
pomegranate the peach.
The
Ano yung nasa loob niya, te?
alin?
May ano siya, bakal sa loob?
Yung silver.
Mashallah.
kiwi.
Ah,
Apple.
Arabic also.
Apple.
Ah,
Watermelon.
Ah.
Apple.
Ah.
Orange.
Ah. Pomegranate.
ah.
Roman. Peach.
Aywa.
Pomegranate.
Arabic.
Oh, Arabic. All Arabic down. All Arabic.
Kasi namin niya yung Arabic yun. Kasi naman yung English yun.
One, two, three, four.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Teka, ayusin mo.
Ayusin mo ah.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10.
10.
Now,
Oh.
Arabic.
Arabic, Arabic.
Parang, strawberry. Strawberry. What?
Strawberry.
No.
Arabic, Arabic.
What? Strawberry. Ano ba?
Faraula.
Faraula.
Kiwi.
Kiwi. Same. Ah.
Apple.
To.
Tufa.
What?
Tufa.
Ah.
But
Batek.
Let's go. Bakla.
Yala,
Batek.
yala.
Ah.
Batik.
Pineapple.
Ananas.
Ananas.
Ah.
Orange.
Portugal.
Tagal. Man.
Aywa.
Oh, dito. Here. Arabic numbers.
Wahid.
واحد اثنين
Ah.
واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة
Na-advance mo yung daliri.
Ada.
واحد اثنين ثلاثة
Allah.
أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة ثمانية تسعة 10.
Very good. Oh, Drico.
Drico, yala,
Drico
yung
daw.
Drico, Arabic.
It's your turn. Drico, 1. Yala, Drico count.
Come on, Arabic.
Drico count. 1.
1.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Busy.
5, 6,
Wa na. Walang nakinig.
7, 12, 13, 14.
Busy sa itlog.
نسيت أعدل نسيت أعدل الصوصة.
Ah.
1 2 واحد اثنين ثلاثة أربعة خمسة ستة سبعة ثمانية تسعة 10.
No. Only 8 fruits.
Again, name.
Again.
Pawaka, okay. S for. S for. Yala, S for.
S for Trico.
S for watermelon. S for
Yala.
For Trico. S for Trico.
Uy, Diyos ko, Lord. Drico, yala, Drico. Yala, babe, you count with salama.
Some of my friends, they use garlic clove.
Maaga yung, yung palaro ba ng balon. Sa gabi kasi.
Sa birthday?
Yung
Dalawa pa naman yun. Dalawa. Babae at lalaki.
sigarutay. Sa kasi ano.
Maaga mo simulan? 5. Mga 4.
Kasi yung palaro.
Hindi naman masyadong mainit ngayon. Mga 4
Hindi pa naman masyadong.
or 5. Ano ba yun, weekend?
Sabado yun.
Ay, di, tama yun. Maganda yun.
Kaya nga.
Tsaka wala na yatang pasok, te. Ay, tapat yun. Yala. Kiwi.
Yeah. Ha? Mahaba mo kasi yung
Granada. Grenade. O, Draco na.
You put inside na.
O, Draco na, dali.
Yala, yo, Draco, come on.
Eyes. Dali, Draco, eyes. Head. Dali na, dali.
At least they are both fair na.
Eight.
Pag kanya-kanyang meeting to, dalawa din ka-meeting. Dali. Kulang man yan. Wala mang ibang numbers. Salama.
Ay,
Saan kaya binili to? Gian. Kare. Regalo man yan.
Kaya Asin, di ba? Jasmine.
Saan kaya niya binili to? Maganda siyang laruan.
Kung gusto ni Drake.
Dapat yung mga may hayop na din, oh.
Ayo, mga letters.
mga letter.
Maganda, oh. Nilalaro
Ay,
nila, oh.
no. Wrong. That's two. Where's
Two.
the two?
Two, baliktad.
You repeat.
Again, you play with Draco. Ayan. O, Draco.
One.
O, Draco. O, 1B1. Where's the one?
The one.
One, Draco.
Yes.
They're playing
Very good.
together na.
Yeah, four. The five is baliktad. Yeah, your five is baliktad.
10, be. Where's the 10? 10. Put the 10. 10.
Baliktad.
10 nak 10. O, dali. Iput na. Draco, put the 10 there.
No.
10. 10.
Baliktad.
Where's the 10? Draco. Alam niya, tinan mo.
Where's the 10, Rico?
10, Draco.
Yes, very good.
10. Alam niya. 10. Galing ni Draco, oh. Salama, oh. Very good, Draco. Yay! 7.
Where's the 6?
Kulang man to, eh.
There, 6, oh. Yeah. 6, yeah.
Naay.
Lipit.
7.
7.
Yan.
No.
Baliktad. Yan.
Okay.
Ha?
Three.
Anong araw yun, te?
Friday.
Friday. Basta yan doon. Grabe.
Kulang ng 9.
Where's the 9?
Di atay. 9 ang kulang nito.
Where's the 9? Missing.
This one.
Paging.
Wala. Kulang ang 9.
Paging number 9. Oh, where's the number 9?
Bahala daw kayo dyan. Salama. There's one wood there. Wood. Yeah, that one. For here. For here. Wala ang 9.
Walang 9. Missing. Where's the 9? Missing. Where's the ano?
Wala. Kulang.
Yung nasa kamay mo na.
You don't bring the charger.
Wala. Walang 9.
Why is there bring it?
Why? That's my toy.
Nagtatalo pa yung maglo.
Ba't kasi hindi mo nilala?
Ayun, may isa pa. Asa na kayong iba?
Fighting.
It's my mistake.
I thought you don't want to.
Sayang. I want to try.
Ha? Yatay.
You don't want to give birth, but you already talking. It's her and her apo in the
Ate Shamsa, oh, nanonood, te. Barako. Nanonood si Ate Shamsa, oh. Te.
Busy yung dalawa.
Te Sar, nag-transaction tong dalawa. Ate Shamsa. Hello everyone daw.
Hello everyone. Yes.
tayo sa kanya buka. At ang page.
Oh.
Kami.
What's the 9?
Where's the 9? Wala.
I don't know. Maybe at Tita Samsa with her.
What is the 9 daw? Asan ka ito binili ah?
Tita Samsa, where's the 9?
Maganda yan. Oh, sige, again.
Where is the 9?
Name the fruits. Name. Oh, fruits.
Name the
Fruits.
fruit again.
Nakakalimutan niya lagi sa strawberry. Asa kaya yung 9G ano?
Naiwan yata sa bahay.
Why?
Mag-google yung I-google yung fruits.
Google pa?
I-google yung fruits. Yala, salama.
You know, they would put telefric and Jabal Hafid.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, because the newer president of the Al-Ain now.
Yeah, the music now.
Yeah.
Yala, name the fruits. Pag kumanta ka na lang daw, huwag ka na daw
Ano lang daw? Huwag ka lang ano.
Huwag ka na daw inabutan ng microphone. Sabi ni Draco, huwag ka nang maingay. O ito na, kanta ka na. Buing mo na si Draco.
Nag-google na.
Nag-google pala. No? You didn't use Google? Sure? Show me. Maybe there is search there. Okay, si Salama. No, ah? I saw seeds. Seeds. I saw seeds. Seeds of strawberry. Because you cut this. Maybe the seeds fall down there. Nag-google ka lang. Yala. Salama. Ang ganda ng pilik mata ni Salama pero usujian. Ang ganda. Hindi na kailangan mapilik mata, oh. No?
Kailangan ng extension.
Yung sa'yo, no? Pure din yan. Extension yan? Ang ganda ng pipilik mata.
Even if the curl, because it's already curled. Even down curl. Like that.
Ang ganda. Pati kilay.
Strawberry.
Ah.
Okay.
She has this like, yeah, the
What else?
Curl.
down also go, yeah.
Where?
Oh, ang baba din, ganun.
Here.
Si ano din, gala, no?
Here. Oh.
The small one.
One also.
Oh, same.
These babies are favored by Allah.
Ang batik na yan. Batik. Okay.
In English, okay. Batik. Oh, Gian, makinig ka dito. You will learn from Salama.
Batik watermelon. Okay.
Yung isa nag-ano na, operate na, pagkakantahin na doon si Patong. Inabutan na si Patong microphone. Sabi kay Patong. Kanta na daw, wala ng tunog.
Daw, kaya wala ng music. Oh.
Yala, Salama.
Pinupukpuk pa niya
Kaya wala sahon.
yung kanta.
Natakot. Natakot siya.
Ginaganyan siya yung speaker. Yung ginaganyan yung speaker.
Yala, Salama.
Wala. Kiwi. Okay.
Kiwi.
What's that?
Peach.
Okay.
The number?
Mm.
1, 2, 3, 4. What?
You didn't complete the
Nagbilang ni Draco.
Come on, Rico. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yala, Draco.
Anong nangyari sa Philippines? So, saan baka naipit na?
Baka yan yung 9. Ay, hindi.
Ito yung strawberry ah.
Yung kalahati ng strawberry.
Strawberry.
Saan kaya binili niya yan? Oh. Gusto ko yan. Baby shop. Because before I'm looking for this, I did, yeah. Eat?
Something eat.
Rika? Maybe Dora. Maybe corn.
Wala. Yala, play na.
Nauntog daw siya.
Watermelon.
Ang bilis na kauntog. Oh, that's 6. That's not 9. 6. Kahawig nga naman. Shuhada. Same color salama there. It's okay na. It's okay na you play with salama. Draco play horse. Where is Dino? Where's White Bay? White blocks. White. Tingnan mo itsura.
You give white.
Patong, tingnan mo itsura niya. Ah, napaka-cute. Draco? Draco? Naan na.
Sarili ng sarili mo.
Tulog na naman yan mamaya sa sasakyan.
Tingnan na lang.
This one is missing.
No, it's there.
Where?
How come?
You fine.
Nandyan yun kanina.